Welcome to Auto Vibe Garage, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge automotive insights, powerful performance machines, and everything that makes car culture electrifying. Today, we're diving deep into a bold new chapter in American muscle at the Dodge Charger Daytona SRT EV. This isn't just a car, it's Dodge rewriting the muscle car legacy for the electric era. At first glance, the Charger Daytona SRT EV commands attention. It blends classic muscle proportions with a futuristic aesthetic, a wide, aggressive stance, aerodynamic bodywork, and a front-wing design that channels air for better performance. The iconic Charger silhouette is still there, but it's been sharpened and modernized for a new generation. It's unmistakably Dodge, but with a forward-looking attitude that's all electric. Under the hood or rather, beneath the floor, the Charger Daytona SRT EV features Dodge's new 800-volt Banshee propulsion system. While exact numbers are still kept under wraps, Dodge has promised it'll outperform the Hellcat in every way. Instant torque, blistering acceleration, and an all-wheel drive setup bring muscle car energy into the EV world without compromise. And for purists worried about the lack of engine noise, Dodge has created the Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust, an industry-first performance sound system that emits a deep, aggressive roar to match the car's power. Inside, the cabin is a fusion of performance and technology. You're met with a fighter jet-inspired cockpit, featuring a wraparound 16-inch curved display and a head-up display that puts critical performance data right in your line of sight. The materials are premium, the seats are sculpted for aggressive driving, and the ambient lighting adds a layer of futuristic confidence. Every inch of the interior is designed to make the driver feel like they're in control of something extraordinary. What truly sets the Daytona SRT EV apart is Dodge's commitment to preserving the spirit of muscle while embracing the future. It's not just about going green, it's about going fast, loud, and bold in a way only Dodge can deliver. With performance tuning modes, power shot boost capabilities, and a stance that uses aggression, this EV is set to change perceptions and expectations. The Dodge Charger Daytona SRT EV isn't just the future of muscle, it's a declaration that performance will never go quiet. At Auto Vibe Garage, we're watching this revolution closely, because if this is what electric muscle looks and sounds like, then the future just got a whole lot louder. Make sure to follow Auto Vibe Garage for more deep dives, reviews, and features on the machines that move the world. Welcome to Auto Vibe.